hope you're okay. Welcome back to my channel. I've got this lovely hamper sitting on my knee and I'm going to go through this and share what we have got in this hamper today because this is so exciting. You might have saw my other hamper video unboxing that I did. I'll pop it in the link below. That was last month. I actually really wasn't even expecting this one. It arrived at my door this week and I was like, oh, another hamper, like so soon. Because I think it's only like a month apart since I did my last one. But this hamper is a beauty hamper, so I feel so much more excited about this one. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's from the same company as last time, which is Social Network Solutions. I will leave their details in the description bar below. They just obviously connect loads of brands with bloggers, and there's all different brands in here. So I'm going to go through this hamper and show you what goodies we have in here. Okay, so let's get stuck in. I've got a card, so it says, "Dear Laura, we are so excited to have you part of our beauty box hamper. We hope you like it and enjoy showcasing some amazing brands. All gifts come complete with a direct link. Some even have exclusive promotional codes for your followers. Don't forget to take a look at our website so you can see all the exciting campaigns we've been involved in, as well as new events and campaigns going forward. Love the SNS team." So yeah, super excited. Thank you so much, Social Network Solution, to begin with, for sending me this. Okay, so the first goodies we have are from Eyelaw. You've probably heard of Eyelaw. They're stocked in Boots and they're an eyelash brand, and they do all other little bits and bobs as well. So the first thing I've got is some eyelashes. These are the texture ones in number 117. So this is what they look like. They look really natural and just nice for daytime. So yeah, I love those. They're quite wispy as well, which I love wispy lashes. Next thing we have is from Eyelaw again, and it's a Blend and Care False Eyelash Blender. Ah, how interesting. So this little product is supposed to help you blend your eyelashes. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes some eyelashes just don't blend into your natural lashes that well. So apparently this little product helps makes your eyelashes, like your false eyelashes, look a lot more natural blended into your own. So that'd be interesting to test out. So that's what that product looks like. Next thing we've got is from Buddy Scrub Luxe Edition Moon Dust with Mica Sparkle and Jasmine. Natural body scrub, all natural, cruelty free and vegan friendly. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love body scrubs. I think as a fake tan lover, you're always going to love a good body scrub to help get off all your tan and put a nice, obviously, new application on. But yeah, that looks really nice. I'll let you know how I get on with all these products, guys. Next thing we have, okay, so I can see a few products from one brand, which is called, I'm going to say Plume. It's Plume. All the links will be in the description bar to these brands, so if I've said them wrong, you can just go and find them anyway. First product, we have a Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. Oh my god, do you know what? I've really been wanting to try like a lash and sort of like eyebrow enhancing serum. When I was younger, I actually plucked all of my eyebrows away. I think it was like a trend of the 90s where everybody just had dead thin eyebrows. So obviously, as you can see, I feel like they have grown back a lot during like my 20s. Anything to sort of grow them is amazing. I do have quite nice lashes anyway naturally. Like, I've got no eyelashes on today and my lashes are sort of there. So yeah, that would be really great to try though. So we've got that. Thing we have refined tweezers. Oh, so I think there's the tweezers. Let me just have a little look, guys. Oh, a nice pair of tweezers. I tell you what, it is always great to have a nice sharp pair of tweezers. You soon notice a difference when you've got like a really blunt pair and like a really like new sharp good pair. Next we have Curl and Lash Curler. Curl and Lash Lift Curler. So just opened the box. We've got a little pouch which it comes in. That's really nice packaging. I love it when a brand takes care of their packaging. Oh, and then we've got these sleek matte eyelash curlers. I actually don't have a pair of eyelash curlers. I don't know what I have done with mine. Okay, next we have some pomade. Oh, some eyebrow pomade. Again, it comes in a really nice sleek packaging box. Let me just show you the packaging actually. So I think it's really nice. A brush. So we've got like an angled brush. It's got an angle on the side, and then it's got like a little spoolie on the other side. Oh, that packaging is so nice. Okay, so this is what the brow pomade looks like. As you can see, it's in like a mirrored pot and it's clear at the bottom. I got this in the shade Chestnut, I think. Yeah, it looks quite a nice shade. It's not overly dark. Like, I do have my eyebrows quite dark. I feel like I can get away with it because of my dark roots. Oh, that's really exciting. I absolutely love the packaging of that. I'm definitely going to check out this brand and see what other things they do. But yeah, I love that. And all of these are cruelty and vegan, just to let you know. Here again, a few things from a brand called Patchology. No, Patchology? Patchology. So this is the brand Patchology. So we have a little box and they contain 5 5-minute facial sheets. I love facial sheets. Yeah, these are the hydrate ones, so no more dry spells, intense moisturize, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5, and you get 5 masks. Oh, they look so good. Ooh, so you get some of these. How many did you get? 5 or 4? Oh no, wait, you do get 4. It's a 5-minute facial masks. Done. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, so next thing we got from Patchology is the gel eye patches. So these have got caffeine, collagen, hyaluronic acid in again. You get 30 pairs of eye gels. This would be good. So they're for puffiness, fatigue, dryness. Oh, ooh. Oh wow. Okay, it's just gone everywhere. We like the little spoolie to get them out, so you get like a little. Is that a spoon? It actually comes in this tub, and then you've got all your eye gel patches in there. And then we've also got some, we've got some night eye gels. So these have got retinol, peptides and arnica extract in. Yeah, they're really cool. Can't wait to try those as well. Okay, so the next products in this box, it actually really caught my eye when I first got sent this box. I did have a little nose through it. And what caught my eye was the fact it said Heart of Gold Elixir. I just thought that sounded quite expensive, and I was like, what the hell is that? So I actually googled this, and when I saw the price of this, I actually couldn't believe it. This product is over £100. Straight away, for a product to be over £100, like, that has got to be some good product for me. Like, you can't market a product over £100 unless it is some like amazing miracle product. So I feel like I'm so excited to try this. So I actually got a brochure sent with this. I'm just going to give you a little bit more information that come in the brochure. So this is supposed to be a high performing moisture binding and brightening agent that enriches the skin and helps restore balance to epidermis with its powerful nutrients. I can't read that word. These products are supposed to boost skin's radiance, maintain fervor, epidermis, diminish roughness, slow down skin elasticity and promote smoother skin. I'm gonna let you know how I get on with this product. I might actually give you like a little update on my Instagram in a few weeks. So this is what the product looks like. Again, the packaging inside looks like really high end. It looks so nice with the gold top on, and I absolutely always love sort of like serums. I always feel that they, for me, are the things I notice the difference in my skincare the most. The thing I can see is from LA Gal. I've actually used LA Gal products before. Just their little concealers, they're amazing. Really affordable and just really good. This is the Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation in shade Beige. This is what it looks like. To be honest with you, I think that looks quite light, so I don't know how the colour's going to be. I'm not normally one for matte foundation either, so yeah, not too sure how I'm going to feel about that, but again, it was something I will let you know about. Okay, so the next thing I got is from a company called 471, and it says Eau Cologne, so I'm guessing this is going to be a perfume. Okay, so moving on to the next things. So next thing I can see, Pretty Athletic Hydration Kick Gel Body Moisturizer. This is a natural skincare for active women, so you're supposed to use it like after you've worked out, been sweating. Very small part, so not sure how that is. I think it might just be like a little tester pot actually. Next thing I got is from a brand called Oxygenetix, and this is an oxygenating, I can't even speak people, foundation. Breathable formula for healthier skin that provides complete coverage. I like the sound of that. Something that I can't feel on my skin, but it's going to provide me a nice good coverage. It's definitely a sort of foundation that I like. So this is what it looks like. Again, I'm not too sure what colour this is or if it's going to be suitable for me. But yeah, that looks really cool. From that same brand, we also have Oxygenating Hydro Matrix. So this is after cleansing, apply with clear fingertips, smooth over face, neck and body to soothe and protect. Oh, I like the sound of that. That looks really nice. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so the next thing I can see is a box. Now this is from Navan Skincare. This box is so cute, and look, there's a little envelope on the top with my name on. So I'm going to open the little envelope first before we get into the box. Oh, it's got a little cat on. I feel like they know me so well. Hi Laura, thanks so much for this opportunity to partner together on your YouTube channel. I personally went through a few of your videos and hand selected these products for you, and I hope you enjoy them. You can read more about each product on our website, www.navanskincare.com. Also, here is 15% off discount for your followers, Laura Black 15. Have they got my name wrong? Oh, I've just seen that as well. They've actually put Laura Black on the little envelope. So I don't know if it's another YouTuber called Laura Black or they've just completely got my name wrong. But anyway, the code if you want to use it is LauraBlack15. They also have an Instagram as well. Everything will be linked below. So let's have a look what these products actually are. Oh, this is cute. So you get some really nice leaflets when you open the box. So these products are called True Clear. I don't know if that's the range or what. Skin clarifying supplement. So detoxifies skins, attacks acne below the surface, significant acne reduction in 4 weeks or less. Then we have a gentle facial cleanser. Oh my god, this is paraben free and sodium lauryl sulfate free. Okay, little bit of info, guys. If you have periodic dermatitis like I do, one of the key things in periodic dermatitis that obviously aggravates that is an ingredient called sodium lauryl sulfate. I actually find it quite commonly in toothpastes, and obviously when I was reading about my periodic dermatitis, yeah, it was a big ingredient that people said it really aggravated their skin. So to find something like a cleanser or something without it in is just insane. So I'm really excited about that. And then also there is the clarifying vitamin cream. So what's this supposed to do? Made with naturally derived vitamins, blended into a powerful cream for acne prone skin. Our cream is light, easily absorbs and leave your skin clearer. So these are basically like a little selection of products that are supposed to help your skin be clear. And obviously if you've got acne or suffer from acne, really helps clear it up. It says obviously for best results you've got to stick it out and you should see full results within 2 months. So yeah, I feel like I want to take these and see if they do work. So that's really exciting. I'm going to pop them back in. There's also a big handful of Starbursts, which I think is a nice touch from a brand when they do that. Next thing I got, oh, is this like fluffy makeup bag. So this is from a brand called Typo, and this is the Made Up Cosmetic Bag Colour Blush Fur. And this is only £8. And what does it say on there? Voila. Just pink and fluffy. Just a nice little makeup bag to put all your makeup in, so that's really cute. Next thing I have is from a brand called Salts and Lard. This is their organ, vegan, bath and body line 3-piece travel set. Okay, so you get a shampoo, you get a aloe juice face and body wash, and you get a conditioner. Oh, they're really cute and sweet, like to take away with you. So yeah, that is from a brand called Salts and Lard. Okay, next thing, I've got a package. So this is what it looks like. It's all nicely packaged up. It says lgmeach on, and this is from Glam Doll. So let's get stuck into here. Okay, so we have a really nice little pouch. It's in like this brown pouch with like a rose gold zipper. What's in here? Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so they're clearly a makeup brush company, and they've got all these gorgeous makeup brushes. Let's have a little feel of these. Oh my god, they're actually so soft. Wow, they feel amazing. Dear Laura, we're delighted for you to try our GD Rose Pro Complete. Is that gold? Gold Rose Pro Complete 15 piece brush set. They have super soft blonde fibres. I can't actually read that writing. And aluminium something, and a black birchwood handle. We're really looking forward to seeing you review these. Oh, thank you so much for these. These look amazing. I can already just tell by just the feel of them. They feel really good quality. And for me as well, when a brush just looks nice, like, you know, it's got like a nice rose gold and black handle. Yeah, they do feel really nice. Oh, and they've also got like Glam Doll just on the end of the brush, which is really nice. I love these. Thank you so much. Okay, so the last thing in the hamper is from a brand called Seoulista Beauty, I'm going to say. I'm really rubbish with names. So we've got another little note. Dear Laura, welcome to Seoulista Beauty. We hope you like the instant facials. Please do read the instructions on the back of the facials. They have a double layer, and you'll need to peel the top one off once on your face. You can also watch the videos on our website, show you how to do it. Okay, so we've got 4 facials. We have a brightening one. They come in really nice packaging actually. Feel really like good quality. Correct and calm instant facial. We have a super hydrating facial, and we have a charcoal detox instant facial. Oh, I love facials, you know, guys. There's nothing better than after you had like a long day, you know, or you've had makeup on all day, just to get home, sit in the back with a nice facial on and just relax. So thank you so much to them. And they also came in a really nice box as well, which I just want to mention because I always feel like packaging is everything for me. Like if a company presents something in a nice box, in nice packaging, then it just to me tells a lot and says a lot about the brands. Okay, so I've just gone to pack away my hamper and pack away everything, and I've just realised there was a couple of products at the end, at the bottom of the hamper that was hiding, and I feel so bad because I didn't mention these, so I just wanted to quickly mention these as well. I probably don't have my ring light on or anything, so I'm sorry if this is really bad. I actually saw on the leaflet there's a brand called Australis that was like featured, and I didn't see any products, and that is why they was hiding. So I got a banana powder from them. I always like banana powders, they're really super brightening under the eye. I've never actually heard of this brand, so I'm really interested to look. They're vegan friendly as well, and they also do a contour stick. I love contour sticks. This is what the contour stick looks like. And then they also sent me a demi matte lip cream. Lip creams are my favourite because they're quite moisturising. So yeah, they sent me that. What shade is it in? Loyal. Looks like a nice pinky shade. So they sent me that. I also got a chocolate mint lip scrub from Buddy. Lip scrubs again is something that I do. Oh, that smells amazing. I do actually use lip scrubs quite often because I do suffer with really dry lips. So that looks really nice and smells amazing. And also, I've already mentioned Pretty Athletic, but they also have to go with their other product that I mentioned, the Workout Glow. And this is basically a product that you use before and after you sweat. It's important to keep your skin clean and hydrated. So just, it's like a really nice spray just to keep your skin hydrated before you work out and obviously after. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video and the end of this beauty unboxing. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Again, a massive thank you to Social Network Solutions for having me involved in this and sending me this big gorgeous box of loads of goodies. Honestly, it always blows my mind when I get sent so many lovely things. I'm so grateful, so thank you so much. Everything will be linked in the description bar, just in case there were any brands that again like took your fancy, you want to check them out. I personally cannot wait to try them all. If there is anything that stands out and that I love, you will see it featured here or spoken about on my Instagram, which will be in the description bar below if you're not following me on there. Thank you all for watching, guys. I hope you all had a lovely day, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.